Welcome. After addition of vector, today we will know about multiplication of a vector by a scalar. That means आम गोटे स्कालार को गोटे वेक्टर देर मल्टीप्लाई करवा. स्कालार मीन्स फिजिकल क्वांटिटी 1 2 3 4 so that let lambda be a scalar and a be a vector. Then lambda a defines the vector multiplication of a vector with scalar whose magnitude is alpha, whose magnitude is lambda times of the magnitude of the vector a, that is lambda a equal to mod lambda with mod a, or magnitude of lambda with is written as mod of lambda, and the direction is same or opposite of the a according to the positive or negative value of lambda. If lambda is positive, then the direction of the vector remains same. If lambda is negative, then direction of the vector is negative as per the given vector. Then properties or scalar multiple of or any scalar multiple with zero vector is zero vector. Any scalar multiple with a zero vector is zero vector. Then properties show that if a and b are two vectors and k and m are two scalars, then ka plus m equal to k plus m into a, and k of a plus b equal to ka plus kb. That we all know it from very fast. Then we know about position vector. What is position vector? Position vector means the position of a vector from the given point to the origin. Position vector in position of a vector means the position of the given position of the vector from a given point to the origin. Let O be a point of origin and P be a point on the space with the coordinate xyz. Then the OP is the position vector which is represented by the figure OP. P is the point on space, O is the origin, then OP is the position vector, and the magnitude of the position vector is OP ro mod. OP ro mod equal to x square plus y square plus z square root over by applying distance formula. Where is 2D. But generally a vector can be represented by the position vector. गोटे वेक्टर को आम के पोजिशन वेक्टर रिप्रेजेंटेड करवा आमको generally a vector can be represented or expressed as position vector of terminal point minus position vector of initial point. Suppose हमको गोटे वेक्टर को रिप्रेजेंट करिया, सपोज हमको ओपी वेक्टर रिप्रेजेंट करिवार अछि, देन आम केमती ओपी रो मैग्नीट्यूड काढिबा हमको किछि दिया जायनी. सपोज हमको ओ दिया जाय 0 0 0 और पी दिया जाय 1 2 3, ताले हम केमती ओपी टा को करिवा ना. ओपी वेक्टर इक्वल टू पी position vector of p minus position vector of o, means p ru o टा को माइनस करिवा, टर्मिनल पॉइंट रू इनिशियल पॉइंट को माइनस करिवा. Then we know about section formula. Section formula is two types. One is internal section formula, other is external section formula. Internal section formula. What is internal section formula? Internal section formula, if a point C divides a line, suppose गोटे point C गोटे line की divides करिवो internally with ratio m is to n, then आमे से जो point C रो position vector काढिबा, that is called internal division formula. That is OC equal to m into OB plus n into OA divided by m plus n, where m and n are positive scalar which is represented by the figure. Here C is the point and AC m and CB equal to n. The C divides the line AB into m into n ratio, and OC is the position vector. Then external division formula. External division formula means a line AB, a point C divides the line externally with the ratio mn. The total ratio line dhala m, C external point dhala n, which is shown in the figure. AB is the line and C is the external point. Connect with B to C. The value of B to C is n and total is m. Then the position vector of C, that point OC, is m of OB minus n into OA divided by m minus n. M into OB minus n into OA divided by m minus n, where m and n are positive scalars. Then we know how to calculate the position vectors with an example. The position vectors of A, B, C are given. A, B, C are 4A minus 3B, A plus 3B and minus 5A plus B respectively. Find the vectors AB, BC, AC and also verify AB plus BC equal to AC. Then first we have the position vectors. A vector, A ର position vector ଦେଇଛି 4A vector minus 3B vector, B ପାଇଁ ଅଛି A plus 3B, C ପାଇଁ ଅଛି minus 5A plus B. तो देन आमको ए बी बी सी ए सी कैलकुलेट करिया पड़ियो. आमे वर्तमान पढ़थिले ए बी सी ए बी केमती कैलकुलेट करबा. ए बी मींस ए बी केमती कैलकुलेट करबा. ए गोटे पॉइंट बी गोटे पॉइंट जो लाइन टा जॉइन है कि ए बी. देन वी कैलकुलेट ए बी इक्वल टू वेक्टर इक्वल टू पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ बी माइनस पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ ए. देन ए रो पोजीशन वेक्टर केते अछि ए प्लस 3b माइन आउ बी रो पोजीशन वेक्टर अछि a plus 3b and a रो पोजीशन वेक्टर अछि 4a minus 3b. Then a plus 3b minus 4a minus 3b equal to the we find the value. Then bc as per ab position vector of c, we know we find a vector by applying position vector is terminal point minus initial point in terminal bc b to c. Then the vector is b to c, then terminal point is C, then C minus B. Find this. Then AC, position vector of C minus position vector of A, which is the value. Now we have to verify AB plus BC, AB plus BC value equal to AC. Now we verify that. Thank you. Thank you.